Hey. Hold on, load though. Hey. Hey, I'm gonna load though.
Hey, don't fucking scratch.
Hey,
Don't scratch.
I don't care. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Did you see him? He was down here with the fucking loader trying to dig it out like 2 weeks ago. What are you doing? He got slid down the bank at the pulling out with that truck.
Yeah.
Like came down because our other loader was down.
Yeah. You can tell where he got stuck, all that water
Is
trap
that our
there.
fucking Bobcat?
Yeah.
That's ours. No,
Yeah.
no, ours is at the shop.
Oh.
That must be theirs. Well, I got like 4 or 5 of them. I don't know what the fuck we got.
Zero.
All right, Fair, I'll see if I can get in here.
Yep. Watch that post, Mark. Said don't scratch it.
Get a little left side. Right over the cab.
Cab shield, everything.
Right over the cab.
Hey, and then when he buries it to the frame, I'm gonna put a dinger in the tailgate.
Think that we need more snow?
I don't think it's gonna do anything. I mean, it's greasy. Is that the first big load it's had on it?
Yeah.
Tell me.
I had salt on it.
Tell me how it goes.
It goes like a fucker.
Oh, I know. Looks like it does.
can't beat it for not matter.
Don't stress out. Just get back to me however you can. I can move to load you, okay? Huh? When you back in, don't stress out about where I am. I'll move to you. Hey, I make the other guys jump through hoops.
We have a fucking
Yeah, hey, get over here on the hard ground.
Who's Billy that's parked in here?
Hey, that's Ed.
Who's that?
Ed, he's our guy.
Ed the head?
Yeah. Ed,
You know, it's his first day on the job?
say hey, I'm driving. Ed. Hey.
I'll probably get stuck.
Stop it. Hey, just put it right to the mat.